In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam corrupt disk error. This error usually pops up when Steam can't properly write files during a download or update. We'll walk through a clean sequence that resolves the most common causes, and I'll explain what each action does so you understand why it works. Start by giving both Steam and your PC a fresh start. Close Steam completely, reboot your computer, and then try the download again. A restart clears temporary glitches and frees any files that were stuck in use. Next, run Steam with elevated permission so it can write to your drive. Right-click your Steam icon, choose Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK, then reopen Steam. This helps if Windows was blocking Steam from modifying folders. Now clear Steam's download cache, which removes corrupted or partial data that can trigger the error. In Steam, go to the Steam menu at the top left, select Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Confirm, let Steam relaunch, and sign back in if prompted. Try the download once more. Make sure you have enough free space. Aim to keep at least 15 to 20 gigabytes available to handle game files, temporary data, and updates. If space is tight, empty the recycle bin or move large files to another drive. After freeing space, return to Steam and resume the download. If the error persists, repair your Steam library's permissions. In Steam, open Settings, go to Storage, then Steam Library Folders. Select the drive where your games are installed, click the three dots, and choose Repair Folder. This fixes common permission issues and read-only flags that block writes. Next, verify the integrity of the affected game's files. In your library, right-click the game, choose Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan what you have, replace damaged data, and re-download only what's missing. Finally, if the download stalls or loops, check for 0-byte placeholders in your installation folder. Open your Steam folder on disk, go to Steam Apps, then Common, and look inside the Games folder. Sort by size and delete any files that show 0 kilobytes. These empty files are safe to remove and can prevent Steam from overwriting properly. Return to Steam and resume the download. Follow these steps in order, and the corrupt disk error should be gone. If the issue reappears, repeat the cache clear and verify steps. Thanks for watching.